The Beavers' floating kingdom. Once upon a time in the lush green forests of Arboria, nestled within a serene valley, there resided a colony of beavers, renowned for their excellent construction skills and unparalleled unity. Rutherford Beaver, the leader and architect of this talented colony, had a vision of building an incredible floating kingdom where animals from far and wide could come together and live in harmony. The beavers' home lay along the banks of the mighty river Zephyria, with its crystal-clear waters and abundant life. The fertile lands provided them with ample resources to embark on this ambitious project. Rutherford began by assembling a council of wise and talented animals, a creative porcupine named Quilla, an ingenious squirrel called Saffron, and an eloquent crow known as Corvida. As the council started drafting plans for their grand creation, Rutherford urged them to remember the significance of interconnectedness and sustainability in every aspect of their designs. Weeks of meticulous deliberations finally produced the blueprint for the floating kingdom, a structure that would be a marvel to behold, an edifice never seen before in the annals of the animal kingdom. When the beavers initiated the construction of the kingdom, they harnessed the power of the river's currents, devising ingenious methods of channeling water into the surrounding woodlands, where they collected building materials. With precision and care, they stripped the wood into long, sturdy logs, and then wove them together into a vast, intricate lattice. The entire colony worked tirelessly in shifts, each member specializing in a unique aspect of the kingdom's construction. Some focused on reinforcing the foundation with strong, supple vines, while others concentrated on assembling the living quarters with finesse and craftsmanship. The tireless effort of these beavers attracted the attention of their neighbors, and one by one, they offered to lend their skills and expertise to the project. Quilla, the artistic porcupine, was tasked with the beautification of the kingdom. Under Quilla's watchful eye, the inhabitants decorated their new home with vibrant flowers, lush moss, and a myriad of other adornments. Saffron, the inventive squirrel, played a pivotal role in devising an extensive network of rope bridges and ladders that connected each living quarter, allowing for ease of movement throughout the kingdom. Corvida, the eloquent crow, assumed the role of ambassador and chronicler of the floating kingdom. With Rutherford's blessing, Corvida traversed the lands of Arboria, inviting animals of all species to join the thriving community. The crow's enthusiasm and persuasiveness inspired many to embark on the journey to the beavers' new home. As more animals arrived in the growing community, the beavers and their new allies worked together to adapt the floating kingdom to accommodate the needs of its diverse population. They expanded their living spaces, allowing them to host a variety of animals like otters, raccoons, and even the occasional deer who ventured into the kingdom. The beavers also focused on ensuring that the kingdom remained sustainable and environmentally friendly. They collaborated with their new friends to create clever systems for recycling and waste management. Water from the river was filtered through layers of sand and gravel, purifying it for use throughout the community. Furthermore, they introduced a barter system that emphasized the importance of cooperation and respect for their fellow inhabitants. During this period, the beavers faced countless challenges that tested their resolve and unity. A particularly powerful storm swept through Arboria, causing torrential rains and fierce winds. The floating kingdom was battered by the elements, and the animals watched in dismay as parts of their beautiful home were ripped away by the storm's ferocity. However, they did not lose hope, and as the storm subsided, the animals came together as one, repairing and rebuilding their beloved kingdom with determination and solidarity. Another challenge arose when a colony of termites infiltrated the floating kingdom. The voracious insects threatened to devour the very foundations of the structure, jeopardizing the safety and stability of the entire community. Recognizing the imminent danger, Rutherford called upon the wisdom of the council and the united strength of the kingdom's inhabitants. Saffron, the resourceful squirrel, proposed a clever solution to the termite problem. By observing the termites, Saffron noticed that they avoided specific types of wood, ones with strong natural defenses against insect invasions. The animals immediately set to work, gathering these termite-resistant materials from the forests of Arboria. Together, they replaced vulnerable sections of the kingdom's framework and ultimately eradicated the threat posed by the termites. Through these hardships, the floating kingdom's community emerged stronger, more united, and determined to uphold the values of their harmonious society. It was during this time that the third turning event took place, a moment that would truly test the resiliency and adaptability of the inhabitants of the floating kingdom. A severe drought plagued the forests of Arboria, and the river Zephyria slowed to a trickle. The once abundant resources began to dwindle, and the animals of the kingdom grew concerned about their future. Rutherford gathered the council, and they spent countless hours deliberating on how to ensure the survival of their community. In their pursuit of a solution, they stumbled upon a hidden grove deep within the forest, an oasis filled with lush plants and a small, crystal-clear spring. The animals worked together to create a system of aqueducts and channels to transport water from the grove to their kingdom, ensuring a steady supply of fresh water even during the harshest of droughts. Through their shared hardships and triumphs, the animals of the floating kingdom learned valuable lessons about unity, resilience, and the importance of cooperation. Their innovative solutions to the challenges they faced demonstrated the power of harmony and friendship in overcoming adversity. The Beavers' floating kingdom became a beacon of hope for all the animals of Arboria, a living testament to the extraordinary achievements possible when a community works together toward a common goal. And so, life in the floating kingdom continued, each day filled with wonder, camaraderie, and a renewed appreciation for the interconnectedness of their world. As the sun set behind the verdant hills of Arboria, casting its warm golden light upon the Beavers' floating kingdom, the animals gathered in the central plaza, celebrating their unity and the success of their grand endeavor. The joy and laughter filled the air as the inhabitants of the kingdom looked toward the future with hope and determination, for they knew that together, they could overcome any challenge the world might send their way.